right. You tell me what you think about the Steelers, dog. Don't fucking lie. That's right.
Like that. Go around.
Hey, Mike,
What's up with the Steelers, Mike?
What you think about the Steelers, dog?
You know about the Steelers?
Stinks. Say something, dog. Hey, dog, what you think about the Steelers?
Fuck yeah.
That's right, dog. What you think about the Steelers, dog? Say something to the world, man. Put this shit on MySpace. What you think about the Steelers?
Hold on. The Steelers, Bernie.
That's right, dog. What do we got? The quiet table over here. We got the quiet. Say what's up to my camera, dog. Excuse me, ma'am. What do you think about the Steelers, huh? Say something dumb, because I love dumb shit.
At this moment, I'm really cool that I can talk shit. Come, like in a half hour, and I'll talk shit.
What do you think about the Steelers? That's right, good. What do you think about the Steelers? Oh, what the fuck? Who's this guy? What do you think about the Steelers, dog?
This is the Steelers official table right here.
All the way. Yeah, boy. What do you think about the Steelers, fool? What do you think about the Steelers?
Fuck the Steelers, homeboy.
You're a hater, dog. You're gonna get ran over tonight.
No, wait.
Yeah,
You're not in the picture. So what do you think so far today?
I don't know, man. The game was really great. I really appreciate the Steelers coming on that comeback. I went to the red and I actually missed it. That was it. Fucker!
Did you really miss it?